another can, 2 more garlic cloves, and so on and so on. The math becomes real easy. So for this one, just a couple garlic cloves. We can use about 20 ounces or so of the tomatoes. Well, I'll do it in the oven, but I'll just put it together. I'll show you. So let the garlic brown a little bit. And then in the meantime, I'll round out these meatballs, fry the meatballs. We'll add the sauce to it. Put gloves on for your protection. Sanitize for protection. And then, yeah, when I get done with this, I'm happy if anybody has like pizza questions, any kind, anything, I'm happy to answer. You know, like I said, these things are hard, man. Like, you never know what people want. You get all these pieces, you put them together, and it's a little overwhelming. But hopefully we'll get something you can use in your recipe today. So now what we'll do, we'll make some a little bit smaller size today. Even though it's raw, I'm going to taste it. It's okay. We're going to add a little bit of tomato to this, just a little bit. Okay? And I'm going to let this rest, and then I'm going to add, as soon as I let this rest at this stage, I'm going to soak, instead of using breadcrumbs, we're going to take some ciabatta, but you can use any country bread, and then we're just going to add a little milk to that. Let that soak for a little bit while we're making our sauce. And then we're just going to kind of squeeze it out. Instead of breadcrumbs, kind of dry or sandier, that's fine too. But this one, again, it acts almost like an extender, but it gives great moisture to the milk, and then it also provides really good texture. You know, again, everything in, as you can see, you can kind of read, and when we add the bread in, just like 5 minutes that'll sit, we'll add that in and we'll ball everything out.
Ready.
Thank you so much, Chris, for your wonderful presentation at Pizza Expo. You can discover more about Chris and Pizzeria Bianco by going to pizzeriabianco.com. He has a wonderful book called Bianco, Pizza, Pasta, and Other Food I Like, as well as amazing tomato sauce called Bianco DiNapoli. I'll put links to these resources below this video. If you're interested in the pizza business, I can't say enough about attending Pizza Expo. For more information, go to pizzaexpo.com. And while you're here, show a little pizza love and subscribe. Pizza on Earth, goodwill to all.